ABAT Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. American battery technology company stock has been retracing quite a bit. Although it was 16% up, I'm looking at it from a 4-hour chart. Boom, this is like from last year, you know, even December retracement that I'm seeing. For context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, so spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and I've documented everything. And just observing ABAT, you saw that like lastly, I did not want to just assume and just randomly start buying more, so I wanted to see a double break in order for me to take things up. And honestly, that's still gonna stand strong. Double break must occur in order for me to buy, and it still is yet. I'm still yet to see it, purely because this was just a week, and weeks do not count. So if I see a full candle close, a retracement, then a full candle close yet again, then and only then I will take things up. But yeah, this must happen in order for me to continue. So in the meantime, the only thing I can do is just hand tight and just wait patiently. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.